In this video, we'll learn how to create a dynamic chart that highlights the top 3 sales months and displays the rank of top 3 sales data point. Watch till the end for the bonus trick. Let's begin. Here, we have a list of sales data for 12 months. Whether you're working with sales figures of salesperson or student reports, you can create a chart like this to visualize your data effectively. First, let's find top 3 sales months. In this cell, write top 3 sales. Now write is equal to, if open parentheses, select this cell, is greater than or equal to, large. Again open parentheses, select this range. Press F4 to lock this range. Comma, 3, close parentheses. Again comma. If the value is in the top 3, we want to display the value in this cell, otherwise, 0. Close parentheses and press Enter. Drag this formula in cells below. So these are 3 months with the top 3 sales. Now, let's find the rank of the top 3 sales to determine which month is first, second, and third. So copy this formula, don't copy cell, copy the formula and paste it here. In this formula, instead of selecting this cell, we will replace it with rank formula. Select the cell, comma, select the range, press F4. Also replace this 0 with blank. Press Enter. And drag this formula down. This will give you the ranks for all top 3 sales months. Next, to insert column chart, select this data, don't select the rank column. Go to Insert, click on Column Chart. Select Clustered Column Chart. Remove this grid lines. Next, right-click on Column, select Format Data Series. Or you can press Ctrl 1. Series Overlap, change it to 100%. And Gap Width, change it to between 50 to 60%. Change color of the column. And now change color of the top 3 months columns. Now, insert data labels, inside end. Next, insert data labels of top 3 sales months of their rank. To add data labels of top 3 sales months, select this column, Insert Data Labels. Now, select, and click on Value from Cells, select this range and press OK. Untick this value. Increase font size, and bold. Change the chart title to Sales Data. Apply border on the chart. And give shadow effect to look it good. Now, let's hide this data, as we don't want to show all this calculations. Oops! Everything is gone. Don't worry. Just select this chart, go to Chart Design. Click on Select Data and click on Hidden and Empty Cells. Tick on this Show Data in Hidden Rows and Columns. Press OK. And your chart with top 3 sales data is ready. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.